Good morning, guys. Started a new house. Now this one's a big one. It's over 300 square meters. The carpenter's still got to finish the eaves. Like I said, it's a big house. I've puttied up in the house. This is a carport. It's a just a double carport. When these guys get all their crap out of here, I'll be working in here. So what I've done is I've puttied up all my frames and I've just sprayed an undercoat, painted my door edges, sanded them. Now that's the front door there. It's got to be 2 coats of clear satin. And we've got a nice one here. This is double doors here. And this is a media room. So we're going to have dark red on all the walls, and we're going to have black ceilings. So that'll be something nice, and hopefully I can share that with you. I'll definitely share the finished product, and we'll be just painting the frames in the wall colour, and then we'll be putting a coat of satin clear over the top, same as the skirtings. So this is going a bright red in here. This is going to be the media room, and those window frames will be black. I'm not sure what colour I'm going to paint that door yet. We'll see what happens. It could go black, or it could just go the wall colour. Now going into here, this is just the kitchen dining. It's, even though it's a huge house, it's probably, you know, it's not bothering me at all. Now I'm here by myself. So all I've done is carry my stuff over from the other house, which I've just done next door, which is a smaller house. Now this is the laundry. There's no laundry tub in it at the moment. We've got a robe there and a toilet here. So we've got a vanity there, so that's just been taped up and just sprayed in there. So this is another external door there, a pain in the ass. So we've got 2 external doors. So you'll see them as we go around. That's the external doors. They've all been prepped and undercoated. We've got another set of double doors here. This is like, not like a granny flat, but probably a similar thing to a granny flat. But I think it's just like away from the main house. So we've got a few rooms in here. We've got another bedroom in here, nice big row. This is nice rooms, nice big size rooms. And I've just taped up around my window front boxes because they're actually really good windows, and it's easy to tape. And that just takes me probably 5 minutes a window. I've done that to majority of them. Now in this is the bathroom, the main bathroom, I suppose you could say. What we're going to be doing, the ceilings the same colour as the walls. Hopefully it's not too dark. They're going to go tiles up so high, and then we're just bringing that ceiling paint down. Now the reason we're bringing the ceiling paint down is that's actually wall paint. It's a matte, but it's a professional, Dulux professional matte. A lot better on wet area ceilings than the ceiling paint. It's not as porous, therefore mould and stuff like that is a lot better. So we're just going to bring that down. All these ceilings will be white. There's another room here, and they're all nice size rooms. You know, it's actually a nice house to be a nice house to live in. You could put a whole tribe in here, I reckon. My children would love this house. And we've got another room here. So as you can see, nice. We've got some fairly nice views. There's that house over there that I finished painting. Not like this big patio. I bought myself a new spray gun. I picked that up yesterday, and time to start a new one off. The others were getting a bit dirty. I got this will be the third one of the 3.2 ones I got. I mean, I can buy any spray gun, But I really love these spray guns, and what I do, I just put the old hose and everything back on it, and that way I've got spare hoses and spare spray guns. So we've got some more doors here, three pelmets. So these are the sliding doors. So now we're going to go into another part of the house. We've got another bedroom here. So this is a nice bedroom, nice sized bedroom. And then this is the main bedroom, bedroom 1. Okay, so this is a nice bedroom as well, nice sized bedroom. We've got this will be the robe in here, so they'll have shelves and that. This is where they put all their clothes and stuff. And then we've got the ensuite, which is in here. And once again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to bring that wall colour down, the ceiling colour down to that height. So as you can see there, that's what I've done. And I haven't spoke to the owner yet, but to make that look good, I've really got to bring that ceiling colour down as well, and make the walls and the ceiling in here the same colour, just to match it. Otherwise we'd have 2 different coloured ceilings beside each other. It's all right out here, but in there it's not. Well, that's about it. I don't know if I'll do any more filming. I mean, these houses, when they're this big, they especially when you're by yourself, you're multitasking. You're probably doing, 8 or 10 things at once. It's a pretty intensive job, and to have a camera, I've actually just stopped I'm going to have some lunch. This is our patio out here. I'm just going to have some lunch now. So, I think it's it's a nice house. And the undercoat we're using is a Berger Gold label acrylic sealer undercoat, and our ceiling flat will be the Berger Gold label ceiling flat. And I've just painted the door edges. There's my pot out there. So that's about it. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed that little update on what I'm onto. And we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.